Sky Space, the Royal Tantra on the Great Perfection of Bodhicitta. This is the experience of the One. The Bodhicitta is a self-originating thusness. The 84,000, the 12, the 3 sections, the 3 tantras, and all the rest, they are beyond any counting. So whatever we may designate, we are brought together into a space of self-originating purity. We join together with a space that equals the sky. Just as the sky has no causes or conditions, our minds have had no causes or conditions from the primordial. We do not generate anything. We do not visualize. We do not need anything. In the heart essence of pure self-origination, our force and our making things change are entirely natural. Being free from any exaggeration or depreciation, there is the experience of equality. In this way, we do not hold on. We go on beyond the end. As for the dominion of the Dharma, which is invisible and is not to be hunted, when we settle into non-hunting, that is our reward. If we hunt, our despair has no purpose. For these reasons, how will we succeed at any reward that equals the sky? Why is there self-originating enlightenment? It is not a color, it is not a shape, it is a heart essence that is invisible. It is non-dual and quest-free enlightenment. This is a self-originating heart essence that is not an attribution. When we determine it to be something, we are in contradiction with what it means. When we understand what non-conceptual self-origination means, we do not need to use 5 paths to travel over 10 levels. We may hunt through as many as 100,000 samadhis, and through the origins and engagements of our peaceful abiding and higher seeing for innumerable eons. But this comes from ourselves.